Today is Louis Vuitton unboxing. This item sitting in my closet for almost a month. For almost a month, because I want to wait all the way to December. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana, and if you're into luxury, if you're into fashion, please consider subscribing to my channel, because you're definitely gonna find something useful on my channel if you love luxury and if you love fashion. Today, everything about Louis Vuitton. It's been a while since I purchased any new handbag from the Louis Vuitton, so hint, it's a handbag. The last purchase of the actual handbag from Louis Vuitton was my pochette métisse in empreinte leather, and it was in color Tote, and I really love that handbag. It's very, very neutral. Absolutely adore that handbag. And then I've been thinking about this handbag long time ago, and the first time I tried this handbag when it was way cheaper. But now I'm finally ready. So enough of rambling, let's do unboxing. So there you go guys, a huge box, and let me do unboxing. And honestly, this item sitting a month in my closet before I finally decided to do unboxing. I'm still trying to hide it. Ta-da! There you go guys, it's Louis Vuitton OnTheGo. Oh my god, I've been thinking about this handbag like forever. I remember I tried this handbag, and this is OnTheGo size. I remember I tried this handbag when it just came to the boutique in GM size, and I loved it right away, but it was too big for me personally, for my body frame. And also with the original version, the inside straps were in the canvas, and they're a little bit thicker and not as comfortable. This is my new beauty, and I wanna, obviously there is already a bunch of videos on the YouTube showing all these like, you know, pluses and minuses of this handbag, but I want to put 2 pennies in a jar myself, and the reasoning why I purchased this handbag right now. So first and most, it's because of the size, and I watched several videos on the size, and mostly everybody is saying that the laptop doesn't really fit quite well, unless if you have smaller laptop like 13 inches. And I thought like, oh, then it's stopping me of purchasing this handbag. But then I said, listen, I don't really carry my laptop every single day from work. I need something comfortable enough, easy access, good size, especially for the winter months, but not overpowering like as a GM size. Then the second things, once again, when I saw the original handbag stopping me, because the long straps, they're made of canvas. This one is made of the very soft cowhide. Really love it. The next point that I got really lucky, and my handbag is actually made in France. I hope it will focus right there. My handbag is made in France. Absolutely simply got lucky. So, and usually when it comes to the new style of the handbags from Louis Vuitton, quite often they have some kind of alteration or variation, or perfecting, correcting their style. So I decided from now on, when the new style of the handbags comes to the picture, I want to wait a little bit, see if the style is really good, no major problems, and then purchasing myself. Also, I actually purchased this handbag in epi leather first, and I didn't even show on my channel or anything, but then at the last moment I decided to switch to canvas. And the reason for that, because first I thought like I want to get something discreet, because epi leather is pretty much, you cannot even recognize it's Louis Vuitton. There is a beautiful kind of almost magenta tag, LV, but if you're gonna remove that tag, it's pretty much just a black handbag with tiny LV logo at the bottom that absolutely unnoticeable. But First and most, in epi leather it was much heavier compared to this one. Then the reason that I want to have that epi leather because of the COVID right now, and I don't want to be flashy, etc., and I almost don't wear anything in Louis Vuitton monogram. But then I thought, listen, I'm not buying handbag just for a few months or a year when the COVID is present right now. I want to buy handbag for years to come, and God knows, in year or so, hopefully the COVID will be over and we will be okay with wearing our luxury items, more noticeable, you know, luxury items. And I said, like, listen, I really love Louis Vuitton monogram. I love that this handbag has pretty much combination of all monogram. You have reverse, you have regular monogram, you have reverse in the darker one, and you have reverse in the lighter color. Absolutely love it. Attention to details on this handbag is paramount. Like, look at these beautiful details. Look at the details on the handles itself. Look at the bottom, like at the aligning of this handbag. It's absolutely perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect in every possible way, in every possible way. So this is, let me show you on the inside. I love that inside it's red, absolutely gorgeous. Inside also you have one zip pocket and two slip pockets, which is also very, very useful. I believe also, like you can see on mine, there is even still a plastic tag. It's literally just made by the end of this year. Let me show you some extra items that is inside. So here is the textile card that normally comes with all Louis Vuitton items. So here is the item if you need to potentially call your essay and get the information, and I'm most likely gonna put it in the description box below. And this is as well, this is just another card with all the information. The other positive point, I already have this red organizer, and this is from Speedy 30. I know for a fact there is already organizers for OnTheGo, but just if, say, you have your organizer from Speedy 30, it actually fits quite perfectly inside this handbag. So I didn't even buy any new organizer. My Speedy organizer just sits quite perfectly inside this handbag, and I think it's also perfect color because I have it in a red, and inside this handbag it's also red. So love, love, love this handbag. Most likely gonna also insert my modeling shots for you guys. Please, if you already have this handbag for a while, tell me everything that you want to share about this handbag, and I definitely gonna share with you later on, I don't know, in 6 months or so, how much I love or dislove this handbag. Thank you very much guys for being today with me. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. If you enjoy my channel in general, please, please, please consider subscribing. And I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.